Hello kids, today I'm going to tell you a very interesting story. The name of story is How the Sultan Found an Honest Man. Let's start. A sultan in Turkey had a room full of treasure. He called for his vizier, the highest officer in the land, to help find an honest man to guard the treasure. Prepare a great feast at the palace, said the vizier, and invite any person whom you think could guard the treasure. At the end of the feast, ask your guests to dance. You will soon see which of them are honest men. The Sultan made the feast ready and invited the guests. The guests arrived. They have to walk through a long dark passage in which were kept open sacks full of coins. Through the passage, the guests walked into the hall where the Sultan was holding the feast. When every man had come, the Sultan rose from his seat. "Now, my friends," he said, "give me the great pleasure of seeing you dance." Nobody moved. The guests began to make excuses, but for one man, he came out and danced up and down the hall. "He is the honest man," said the vizier. The other guests had filled their pockets with the coins in the dark passage. Had they danced, the coins would have jingled and they would have been caught. Only this man was unfared because he had not touched the coin. The good vizier was rewarded for his advice, and the man who danced was given the job of guardian of treasure. All the guests who had filled their pockets with coins were punished. Thank you kids. Okay, Allah Hafiz.